Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, these are the new labels that I got. These are the address labels and they're really small, so they should definitely fit on the lip gloss tubes. They are 80 labels per sheet and they are white, and the size is 0.5 by 1.75. So what you would do is you would go to the website every.com and type in this number, and you would download the template and you would just make the label. So I'm going to show that. I did show this in my last video, but I will do it again. This is just the size of the actual sheet, I'm assuming, because that's not the size of the actual labels. So please don't get that confused with the size of the labels. Again, I know a lot of people ask me, can I do clear labels? But they do not have clear labels with this size. They do have it in a bigger size, but it will not fit on your lip gloss. So I wouldn't recommend getting that one. Make sure when you buy it, make sure it says inkjet, depending on what type of printer you have. If you have a laser printer, make sure it says a label. You have an inkjet, make sure it says inkjet. But yeah guys, so I'm going to open this up and then I'm going to show you what each sheet looks like. So guys, this is what the sheet looks like. Again, you would just go to the website and type in that number, and then the template should pop up. But as you can see, these are like the little tiny labels. I hope you can see that. But yeah, the last video I did kind of struggle on making sure they match like printing wise. But yeah, that's will be the challenge. But again guys, they do not have this size in clear. They only have it in white. I'm so sorry about that guys. But yeah guys, I'm going to try to make the label and let's hope that it turns out good. So wish me luck. So the first thing we did was go to every.com and we're going to type in that number that I showed you in the beginning of the video. We're going to type it in the search bar. So we're going to type in 8167. And now we're just going to look for what I have, which is, this is what I got, but we want to get the template. So that's why I'm going to hit the template option. And I'm going to scroll down, and you can choose any of these softwares to download it in. So you can do Microsoft Word, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Pages, and Adobe PDF. So I'm going to open this up in Photoshop because it's the most easiest for me. So I'm going to download the template. And after I download it, as you can see, it just popped up. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put a white background over this so it's easier for me to actually like see the squares because it's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to open up a new sheet. Make sure this is white if you have Photoshop. But I know a lot of people don't have Photoshop. So you can go ahead and do this in Word instead. So I'm just going to bring that right there. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I did in the last video. Which is just putting this white background on there. And then stretching this out. And then changing the layers so I can see it. Alright, so that is how you can see the squares a lot better. As you can see, you can still kind of see these white squares on the side. So I'm just going to stretch that out so I won't see that. Okay, so now I'm just going to start making my label. So again, I'm just going to add a text, Marisa Cosmetics. But then I have a hard time figuring out what kind of font I want to do. borderless. Print entire page. Great. Okay, everything looks good. So I'm going to print this out and see if it matches correctly. If it matches correctly, then that's great. We're done. If it doesn't match correctly, we have to figure out which paper size setting it is and how to do all of this, which can be some work. So cross your fingers and let's hope this works the first time. Hey guys, so what I ended up doing was I downloaded the template, right, in Pages. And so what I did was I saved the photo from Photoshop, and I took these off, right? I took these and I got this layer and I put it on a blank white sheet of paper, saved it, and I brought it to Pages. Where did Pages go? Where's Pages? Alright, okay, we got Pages back. So yeah, and then I just hit this media right here, then I added a photo. I hit choose and I brought the photo here and I printed it out, and like there are no print settings you have to change, so it will print out perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to Photoshop and I'm going to do the same exact thing. So I'm going to get rid of this, but this time, actually bring that back. This time I'm going to change the color. Over the Pages. I know where to look for Pages now. Insert it. So what I'm gonna do is Guys, so these are the labels. These are the black labels. As you can see, I got them to fit. Took me like 5 different tries, but I finally got it. But yeah, that is what they look like. They're very pretty. And now I'm going to show you guys the color labels. So that is what these look like. Yeah, these are pretty too, but again, it is a lot of color ink, so I'd rather stick with black, and the black is the more clean look. But I like the color look too, so you can do, if you want to do just pink and purple, you can do that, or blue and yellow, whatever colors you like. I just like the rainbow effect. So now I'm going to put them on the lip gloss, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what they look like. Now guys, I know this isn't straight at all, but this is just for a demonstration. So that is what it will look like, Marisa Cosmetics. So yeah, it's really pretty. What do you guys think? So leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. So yeah, I like it. I think it's pretty good. It's like some of my colors, like my tinted colors, my transparent labels, they look too dark on this, so you can't really see my name. But these white labels, you can see it clear as day. So I think for my tinted colors, I'll probably print me out some white labels to do that with. So now I'm going to try the color ones, and I'm gonna put that on here just like this. Again, guys, I know it's not straight, but I'm just putting it on for you guys. So that is what that looks like. Now I like that. I did not put the kiss mark on here because I'm already doing too much ink as it is. So yeah. So yeah, I think this is a lot prettier than the black one. What do you guys think? Which one do you like best? I like the black one because it's a much cleaner look, but you can always make this smaller so it'll fit the right page better. But yeah, I like both. I don't know which one I do. I don't know, I might do the black one. The black one is like more of a clean look. But then this is pretty too. I don't know, guys. Let me know which one you guys like better. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Do you like the black one or do you like the color one? But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys learned a lot. So now you can stop paying people all this money to print you out some labels where you can print them out yourself. So yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that comment button, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.